Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 12th to the 27th. We have the AO is positive, and that is forecast to remain positive for the next 2 weeks. And this is evident. We're going to look at the map. Due to negative height anomalies across the Arctic and mixed height anomalies below normal heights here, above normal heights here, across the mid-latitudes. The AO is also positive, and is for the NAO is. Oh, let me go back. NAO is positive, and forecasts remain generally positive, maybe back to neutral during the same week. And this is resultant of. Go back to the other map. Below normal heights here across Greenland and Iceland. The NAO is predicted to remain positive for the next 2 weeks, as height anomalies are predicted to remain negative for the next 2 weeks. So this is the pattern that we're looking for at this forecast period. Now, let me see what else. Okay, also, during this period, we have, I didn't bring up the maps for Asia. The expected pattern in the next 2 weeks across Asia is a ridge with normal to above normal temperatures over northern Asia, with troughing below normal heights across central and western Asia. Below normal heights remain across the Arctic and the west central North America. A ridge forecast across the West Atlantic extending into the east. So during this period, we'll go to the other map. We will have a storm system that will affect the Northwest Friday and Saturday. The system will cause heavy rain and lower elevations and snow in the higher elevations. Above normal precipitation forecast for this region. You can see here, here's one. Here comes another one, and this one moves rapidly across the region, bringing snow across parts of the Great Lakes, but we're expecting heavy snow here. And temperature would be below normal first, and then moderate as height rise in the west. A frontal boundary in the southeast. Late in the week and into the weekend will be the focus for heavy rain out ahead of Eta. So this is late in the week. Here's our frontal system. Here's Eta, or Eta. We look at the various models. Pretty consistent in the location of the system and also the heavy rain across this region. Now, also in addition, we are still have Theta. I think that's what you say out here. Here's Eta, and we're still expecting a system to develop here in the Gulf, in the Caribbean. So the tropical storm will bring some rainfall to the Gulf Coast, depending on its strength, track, and availability and moisture as it becomes limited as it weakens. Looking at the period for November 18th to 22nd, a zone of flow is generally forecast across the nation and below normal heights across the Arctic, Canada, and into the Northwest and the Northeast. This is also depicted well in the European weeklies. Let's see, where is it? In the European weeklies here. Wait, we gotta go to okay, it's picked it below normal heights here and here, and a ridge in between. So this is European weeklies for that week. The it's also depicted the European weeklies GFS and the European week and the some of the GFS and the European weeklies bring cold shots into east, but they're short-lived, followed by a moderating trend. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and for portions of the Northeast, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. The highest anomalies will be here across the southwest. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region. And the probability of occurrence is about 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, with the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking ahead at the period for November 23rd to 27th. Let me go back to the other map. And a zone of flow is forecast across the country. Above normal heights are forecast across the southern U.S. and below normal heights across the Arctic and across the northern states. Kind of like where I see, kind of like this. So the European ensembles bring below normal heights Canada faster. So we're having an area here of above normal heights here moving towards Greenland, and see how they are here compared to the other models. It's out here. So it will be moving westward, but it's just a matter of time when this happens. But the European is faster with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal, below normal, excuse me, I can't see what I'm saying here, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the Northwest, the Northern Rockies, and across the, above normal heights are forecast across the southern U.S. The European ensembles bring high, are faster than the other models. So above normal temperatures forecast for the Northwest and Northern Rockies. And let me just go here. Above normal, below normal temperatures here. Above normal temperatures for this region. Getting ahead of myself a little bit. And the anomalies will be near 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures here, with the anomalies up to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the Northwest Northern Rockies. Probability of occurrence is 40%. And then we have below normal temperature, below normal precipitation is forecast for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. We're going to take a look at ETA too. Here's ETA as of 4 p.m. Located 23.2 north, 85.1 west. Movement is towards the north at 7 miles per hour, and winds are 60 miles per hour. So this is expected track. But as you look here, the models are more spread out. You know, there's a lot of uncertainty where it goes next. You can either go here off the coast or this way. And we'll take a look at theta out here, and it is located at 29.4 north, 36.2 west. Maximum sustained winds are 70 miles per hour, likely to become a hurricane, and movements towards the east-northeast at 14 miles per hour. Look at this. This is a video that was sent in from YouTube. It's a blizzard that is currently Alberta, Canada on November 9th. You can hear the wind, the blowing snow, but wait for this to be a time lapse coming up. This is like a lot of snow. Just hold on a second. You can hear that wind howling, blowing, drifting snow. Now here's a time lapse. Watch how quickly the snow piles up. This was a link that was sent from YouTube. Look at that.